Katanat pulit kacela Meghalaya harengkat katanat kampo Ïing ke Sarkar India haka arpoi terik unailar arja arpsau kalapenlong ya ke program ke belatip kum ke state level conference on human trafficking lani ke program ban yathersani kumno ban telakam ya ki kam khayi ki khlung khna nalor ki samla kan thei bat senrang de ki riushim kabu ban penlong marau bat pentri ya u ne kabriu khlam ke jingsiu khamtam ke jingle bi jat ki kan thei Hakati ke lang lai dan lang dau sumbun dirang ba kacela badai Peit yakatnat kampo Ïing ba preston tensong kumukong san kakong mizil amprin lingdo menteri badai khmi yakatnat law department kakong yaman CM chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW kakong Ïda shisha norong IPS ke badai ke Director General of Police DGP ki officer bat ki pulin uba preston haba jingkran uloong ba ka jingdon ki ai nak Sarkar India ni nak Sarkar jela ki balatre kam mentah handai ki donru ki kham ba ka Donkam ban Peit Bniah Biang Namar ondala poi sa Ïing bisar ki Sakhi satar hi kimlong ki bala Biang lun.
Human trafficking is an issue where day by day becomes a critical issue globally. Not only in Meghalaya alone, but globally. We have seen these challenges that we have. And the worry is this issue keep increasing day by day. So therefore, it is the most befitting moment, especially for the government of Meghalaya, having this conference anti-human trafficking. We need to discuss in detail about all these issues. And I don't want to go beyond Meghalaya. Let us talk about the context of Meghalaya, about the human trafficking. I think we don't have to explain anymore, or this is the subject which is very old enough. It's only the question, how do we combat these issues? You talk of women, you talk of children, you talk of men. It is completely inclusive as far as human being is concerned. So, as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, yes, I've seen we do have laws, be it central or be it state laws. It's already in place. But sometimes I would say the state or the central laws needs to be revisited again, because sometimes it is irrelevant. As far as our state is concerned, for example, well-organized group, illegal group, who run the sex labors, you know, of police people, or policemen or police officers, when they book them, it's so difficult. The moment we reach to the court, the evidence is not enough. Why the evidence is not enough? Because it seems the law needs to be further strengthened. And through this platform, maybe we can have a proper discussion, training, workshop, awareness with all of them. Then ultimately, I'm very sure we'll be able to control and combat. Let me tell you one thing. Few months back, I came to know that few tourist friends who stayed here in Shillong maybe for 3-4 days, when they went back home, They did not even have 10 rupees in the pocket. You know why? They were being robbed. By whom? By well-organized gangsters. It's very dangerous. It's so dangerous. It's so dangerous. In the name of sex labor, I'm telling you, I think we need to be frank about all this. We knew it, you know it, and please, in this conference, discuss all the details. Work out how to do about it. As I said to you, then you recommend to the government. We are there, Long Minister is there, I am there, and if need be, the whole government will sit down, maybe even 3-4 hours, to discuss the deliberation, the recommendation made by all of you in this conference.
Nakaliang ka Dr. Amprin kalong ba ka jingsha thambor ki kanthei khana kalong kum ka jingmlien hakari bat baro ksyukran halo ka jingki ki kam thambor hanrei omdon ki bawat lat kumnu pat bante lakam ya ka jingjur ki kam thambor ki kanthei.
The romanticizing of crimes against women and children is something which is becoming a habit in this country. We need to check on that. Everybody talks about how gruesome everything is, but nobody comes out with a solution. This government is committed. We want to start cracking. We want to start working hard. And we want to make sure that victim or the criminal mind himself, both need to be addressed in the right manner. A man who traffics a child is sick in his head. Something wrong going on. We need to figure that out as well. How do we treat this problem in the communities around us? What are institutions doing? Is everybody hiding from this real truth? We need to figure out what are the correct instructions we give to institutions. What is the specific cause or exposure that children up to a certain age need to undergo, so that we can build a better Meghalaya. Very easy to talk about the problem. The solution is always the problem. So let's get together. I congratulate Madam Nongreng for this initiative. Looking forward to all the Khaki men and women. You are the face of salvation. You are the hope, the only beacon of hope in so many situations. And we salute you for your work, salute you for the efforts that you put in, and look forward to having better interactions in the years to come.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki Biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba ba?
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khaya ka jungi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jungi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jungi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ki jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jungi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngengat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka kod ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki batei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba, uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi ya kiskim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na kabenta upaj ba. Ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khaw ba bhatam na kabenta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujaj khaw ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong Ïing. Nang ni Shakman. Tang da ukhaw fortified.
Ba, pikiran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.